Hi, I'm Troy Rosasco. I'm with Turley, Redmond, Rosasco & Rosasco, and I'm a New York Social Security disability lawyer. Pleasure to be with you today. Well, today we're going to talk about how do you apply for Social Security disability. Well, there are various ways. Obviously, in my office, we do the application for our clients, but you don't have to do it through an attorney. The first and most common way of applying for Social Security disability these days is people put in an application online. They go to socialsecurity.gov, and there's a great website there where you can learn a lot of information about the whole Social Security program. The only problem about filling out that application online is that my clients oftentimes will come to me and say, I tried to do it online, Mr. Rosasco. I was utterly confused. Why? It's a long application. When I first did my first application for Social Security in the old days when it was all on paper, it took me about 4 to 5 hours to fill that out for my client. Now I've got it down to closer to an hour simply because I know what I'm doing. But if you're trying to do it as a layman on yourself, unfortunately, it's going to take you some time. In addition, what I hear from my clients is they worry tremendously about not saying the right things on that application and worrying whether or not saying the right things will come back to haunt them at a later point in time. Okay, so yes, you can put your application in online. Social Security is encouraging that, but let me tell you something, okay? The reason they encourage that is for their own benefit, not for your benefit. They don't care if you win or lose, they just want the processing to go a little bit easier for Social Security. I don't recommend it. If you got a tough case, if you've got a slam dunk case, if God forbid you've been just diagnosed with terminal cancer, put it online if you can. If you need a hand, many people still come to me. They say, you know what, I got enough on my plate. I got to worry about my health, Mr. Rosasco. Please take it off my plate. I understand that. So that's the online process. That's where Social Security is going. In another video, we're going to talk about 2 other ways to apply for Social Security disability. One of those ways I think is far better than the online process. My name's Troy Rosasco. Why am I telling you this? Because I don't want you to do the wrong thing. I've been doing this for 20 years. I know how to win Social Security disability cases. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call me. It's free. You can reach me at 1-877-NYDB-LAW. Again, 1-877-NYDB-LAW. It's a pleasure being with you today. We look forward to talking to you in further videos.